Maybe it's just me, but it's one of the more exciting parts of sitting down to a Indian meal and find out how did you do your mint and coriander chutney. And what I found out is very easy to make. Now I make this stuff all the time, so I kind of perfected my recipe. It might not be yours, but it works pretty easy. We're going to do it in the NutriBullet here. And I'm going to start with a couple cups of cilantro here. Probably about a cup of mint, so that's a 2-to-1 ratio. And then I'm going to grab in a couple of the peppers. I got serrano peppers here. This is quick. We love the quick stuff, huh? There we go. Got that in there. I got 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to put the juice of 1 lemon in there. So it helps keep it greener and help it taste better. This is real time. There's no editing, kids. A little salt and some pepper. Put a little bit of water. It makes the NutriBullet a little happier. On the blades, and give her a good shake, couple shakes down, and let it rip. Let's see how we did.
He cooks like a bastard.
Sure it's the right color, isn't it?
He's not a bastard.
And it's the right taste. Here on Cook Like a Bastard.
Something and cook like a bastard today.